how to turn on or off the Wi-Fi hotspot on your Vivo Y02t mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting on your Vivo mobile phone. In settings, go to network and internet. Okay, tap this. In network and internet, go to hotspot and tethering. In hotspot and tethering, go to Wi-Fi and hotspot. And now you can see the switch button on the right side of this. Okay, the Wi-Fi hotspot is off. To turn on this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And now you can share your Wi-Fi hotspot. And you can see below the information of your Wi-Fi hotspot. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off the Wi-Fi hotspot on your Vivo Y02t mobile phone.